Swells and rough surf from Fiona are still being generated across the coast of Hispaniola, the Turks, and the Caicos Islands, as well as the central and southeast sections of the Bahamas. They will continue to spread westward over the Atlantic, over towards portions of the United States over the next 24 hours or so.
Falling through the gap, falling through the gap, falling through the gap.
Gap is getting rid of 500 corporate jobs, or about 5% of its workforce, in San Francisco and New York. The company's making cuts over years of sluggish sales, mostly due to the pandemic and surging supply chain costs. Last week, Gap ended its partnership with Kanye West to distribute his Yeezy clothing line. That deal was supposed to last 10 years, but barely reached 2. Aaron Judge is one homer closer to history.